Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn your iPhone screen red. Step 1, click on Settings, then return to this Settings page and click on Accessibility like this, and then click on Display and Text Size. Now scroll down and click on Color Filters and turn on the color filters like this. After that, make sure to select Color Tint like this and the intensity and make sure to use those intensity and hue slider all the way to the right like this. And after this, when you return to the home screen, you will see it red. You are not red like this screen. This is an example. This is the red screen. You are not seeing here on this iPhone because I am recording my iPhone from my computer. And on my real phone, I see that the screen color is red, like this photo. And this is how to turn your iPhone screen red. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.